Good morning, my lovelies. How are you today? Bubbles is up here watching. So's Patrick. We just made a penny spinner. You want to see? It's just a circle, a poster card with a penny in the middle. And just, wrong hand, just spin. And you can make a pattern on it. And this one, we put a quarter just to try because it's bigger for little fingers to hold. But I can't get it to spin very well. Maybe you could have a go. This is what you got to do. Is draw around a cup or something to make a circle. And then cut the circle out. And then you've got to make a hole right in the center. If you've got to make it long enough for a penny. So we're just going to use these scissors, go all the way through like that. You might need a grown up to do that for you because you do not want to be stabbing your little fingers. Then you just take a penny and put it in just like that. But this time, have you ever played a game and you couldn't find the dice? You just need to cut off the top and the bottom and the top and the bottom and then the last one. And you made, what shape is that? It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. It's a hexagon. Then you just need to put number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6. And there you go. So whatever side it stops on is the number of spaces that you go. And I'm not getting it to spin. There we go. Oh, it's on number 4. It landed on number 4. So we moved 4 spaces. Oh, it landed on number 4 again. So that'll replace your dies. And you can play and make patterns and spirals. Spirals are really good on these. And make your own penny spinner. Good luck!